What's up everybody, Logan here, NFT Tiger is right back with another brand new platform. So guys, today we're going to be diving down into what is known as SecuX. So I was discussing with project owner, and in the end we decided to introduce this platform in front of my community. So before I start explaining, let me clear that it's not a financial advice. Don't study this platform. Take your time, and if you think you can generate best return and you can save your crypto assets and it's perfect for you, so you can jump in and you can buy that. But my responsibility is to provide a proper guideline how basically it works, their key phrase, their reliability, safety, security, each and everything. It's very important to study before investing or buying this wallet. So here's the detail, and please don't miss any part of this platform, because in next few minutes I will guide you how basically it works and what kind of potential and safety, reliability, and the team who's backing up this platform and each and everything is very important. And the third thing is you have to join the community. It's very important to join the community. When you join the community, you will become the member of the community. You will be updated with upcoming news regarding this platform. So you will see lots of discussion will be going on. So it's quite amazing to join the community, and it's quite perfect. Next, you can see here the discover your crypto persona. So here's a detail about that. And in the blockchain world, we always talk about the decentralized freedom and the future, but behind these different technologies, too many people lost their private keys. So it's in this wallet, the key will be safe hands, and in your hand you can easily save your keys, your key phrase, and you can keep your assets safe and secure by using these key phrase. And next, there are plenty of steps are available. You can study and get more information regarding that. So you can see here the event countdown, still 8 day 30 minutes left, so plenty of time left. You can jump in early because you'll be able to get 15% off discount, and ready to meet your crypto again. And the event date is May 12th to May 31st, 11:40 59 p.m. And here is the details. So let me clear about the detail. If one detail, take a 17th anniversary. What kind of crypto personality are you? So next, you can see here the quiz discover to ideal crypto security companion, and don't miss your chance to unlock the exclusive 15% off discount available on during this limited time event. So you have to keep in mind the date. It will be ending after 8 days. So you have to join and participate in, and you will be able to get 15% off if you buy this wallet. So next, you can see here personality quiz questions. So there are questions are available, and you can answer the question, and it will be perfect for you, and you can get more knowledge about that. Okay, next here you can see the products. The details are available. You can see here different types of wallets and their prices, how basically you can buy that, and the safety, reliability, so each and everything is available here. So you can see here, first one is a V20 wallet. So here you can see the details about that. At the moment, the price is $139, and you can see here a SecuX V20. It's certified, color display, 1,000 coins, tokens. It's mean you can use more than 10,000 coin at the same time by using SecuX 2020. And next, you can use Bluetooth and web-based app and dynamic pin entry up to 500 accounts. So each and everything in the mentioned, so you can easily study that and get more information regarding SecuX 20. Okay, next, if you scroll down a bit, so you will get more detail about the next one. You can see here it's a 𝐒𝐄𝐋. So here you can see the price, it's $179. So details are available, and you can get more information about that, and what kind of potential and safety, reliability, and how much coin can be used at the same time. You can see here more than 5,000 cryptocurrency can be used, and NFTs also, so it's quite amazing. Okay, next you can see here two-factor authenticator and the pin code protection. So they are providing you a secure way that keep your assets safe and secure. So they're trying their best on what that investor need. Okay, next you can see here connect your wallet. So we'll click on that and get more detail about that. So you can see here, select your device. It's up to you which device you want to buy. So here 4 available, and you can see here SecuX V20 and W20. Next you can see here SecuX W10, SecuX Nifty, and SecuX Shield Bio. So it's up to you which one you want to buy that, and you can see here the details. Each and everything is mentioned here, and you can get more information about. And the good thing is you can use iOS and Android to download that, and you can easily buy that. So details are there. Next you can see the news, the blogs, and regarding SecuX wallet, you can see here the details. SecuX and its product, Cyber Athena and PUFIDO, and comprehensive hardware security solution. So it's quite amazing. So this was the detail that I was providing. It's very important to understand each and everything before start investing or buying any sort of wallet or any cryptocurrency. Okay, so here's the detail about the team who's backing up this this platform. They're a very strong team, and all around the world, and you can see here in United States, Germany, and Taiwan. So these are the details and history, because since last many years they're working on this wallet, and it's very secure and already it's spread in all around the world, so need not worry about anything, and I'm sure it will be perfect for you if you join that. Okay, next I will show you the detail about the further information about SecuX wallet. So it's very important to get more information about that. Okay, this was the detail about the pricing and each and everything. So I told you all the information. So hold on a bit, I will tell you the further information. Okay, next guys, you can see here the detail about that. You can see here the personality quiz questions and each and everything will be there. And next you can see here notes, discount code cannot be combined. It may only be used on one time. So keep in mind it will be used for the one time. SecuX reserves to right to modify it. And Meralullah 𝐕𝐄𝐑𝐈𝐅𝐈𝐄𝐃 Puna. You can see here the details, and I provide you all the information, and if there is something missing, so please don't miss to join me in the comment section. So I'll be there always to provide you all the detail. Next you can download their app, you can contact with the team, and each and everything is very important to understand before investing. So once again, I'm requesting to all subscriber investor community, please don't miss to join their links, because it's very important to join their links. When you join the links, when you will become a member of the community, and you will be updated with upcoming news. And next you can see here help by the product. So you can see V20 and W20, W10, Nifty, and you can see Fork USB, and all details, all materials, and their collections are available. It's up to you which you want to buy. Okay, this was the detail that I provide you, and hope so you briefly understand about that. Next you can see here guys the team who's backing up this platform. They were a very strong team. I already told you that I was discussing with the team regarding this platform, and in the end we decided to introduce this platform in front of my community. So you can see here the details and the wallets. You can see established in 2018 and product launch in 2019, and you can see here organization 2020, and sporting and partnership you can see 2021, and NFT and DeFi that started to add in 2022. So this was the detail that's very important to share with you. So I hope so you briefly understand about that and all the details. So there are plenty of wallets available in the market, so it's your choice which one you want to select that, but they are providing you 50% off until May 31st, 11:59 p.m. and you can jump in early, and you can get 15% off also, and it's quite amazing, and it will be able to provide you a best and safe platform where you can keep your assets safe and secure. So this was the detail about SecuX wallet. Hope so you briefly understand. So we'll meet our next video guys. Till then, bye bye.